All right, so the question was posed is how do you handle the future phase in Revit? Because Revit handles the past real well. There are 4 phase states in Revit. Just to review those real quick. If you go to Manage and then Phases, you have the 4 phase states listed here: new, existing, demolished, temporary. But future is not one of them, and it doesn't really handle that out of the box Revit. So there are two approaches that I like to use. It just kind of depends on the project. If you're not doing a work shared project, I think the easiest way is just doing a project parameter. So what you'll do here, let's just quickly create a couple of structural floors. We're going to keep this just simple. Obviously, you can apply this across different categories. I'll use my create similar tool and create another one. So let's say that first floor that I modeled is new construction. This floor right here will be future, and I want it to show up orange or with dashed line work, or however I want that overridden for my construction documents. So the way to do that is go to Manage, and let me think about that for a second. Is that where I want to go? Yeah, Manage Project Parameters. Click Add Future. Call it. This is going to be a yes/no parameter. If you need a little bit more flexibility, I suppose you could create a text parameter, and then it could let you do other things as well. But let's just say it's nice and simple. It's future. It's not future. Okay. And we're going to group that under phasing. We can do that. And we'll apply this, in this case, to floors. Click OK. And click OK here. So basically, if this is the future floor, I'll check that on. Okay, nothing yet. But as soon as you go into Visibility Graphics Overrides and add a filter that looks for that, then you can override the graphics. So I'll click New, and we'll call this Future and Project Parameter and Floors, and it's looking for the Future parameter, which we've added, and Future equals yes. Hit Apply, hit OK. Add that to the list of filters here for the view or in your view template. And then we'll just override the projection, but we'll say, yeah, it wants to be orange, and it is a dashed line. Click OK, click Apply, click OK, and there you go. There's your future line work. And all it is just a toggle. Select the object, turn it on, and then it's future. All right. So the other method that you may want to use instead, it kind of depends on how complex and what your end goal is for your construction documents, is to use Worksets. So I'll do File, New, Project. We'll use the structural template. And the structural template, first thing I need to do is enable Worksets. So we'll save this here. And then we will, I'm assuming server-based work sharing, it'll work the same if it's not. And then in the Worksets dialog, we'll create a new workset called Future. Okay, nothing more to do there. We'll make it the active workset, sure. Actually, let's not. Let's go back to Workset 1, put our new construction floor on Workset 1, and then put our, where's that at? I forgot where the floor command is. There it is. And put the future floor on the other workset. So I'll select it there, and we'll put it on the future workset. Okay. And the same drill. Visibility Graphics Overrides, go into Filters, Add, Edit New, create a new one called Future Workset, WS, and then we'll look for floors, and this time we're looking for Workset equals Future. Apply, okay, add that, and then again, do our override. We'll just do the color this time. Apply, hit OK, and there you go. Obviously, that's something, again, you'll want to add to your templates. You won't want to have to do this for every view, but that is one of the easier methods of handling future construction in Revit as far as the visibility graphics overrides. Hope that helps.